To check where App Store is downloading files before installing, in Terminal, go to Private Var Folders. Then we search for com.apple.appstore folder, which is buried under Private Var Folders. Use tree command with the H option to see human readable size of the files, and S option to see size in bytes. S option helps to see the change in file sizes as the App Store is downloading files. So in my case here, just one app is being downloaded here. Which is Xcode for my new MacBook. So I am trying to see what icon it shows. That icon is basically. Copying the icon to Documents folder before we can mess with it. Maybe Mac doesn't depend on extension, but I'm new to Mac, so I was just trying with the JPEG extension, see if it works. Yeah, it worked. I'm not sure if it's an SVG or